Welcome to our travel guide
on exploring the history of the Great Wall of China.
The Great Wall is a monumental landmark
that spans thousands of kilometers
and holds a rich historical significance.
Built over centuries to protect
China from invasions, it stands as a testament to the ingenuity
and determination of the ancient
Chinese civilization.
As you embark on your journey, you will be transported back in time to the origins
of this awe-inspiring structure.
The Great Wall was initially constructed in the 7th
century BC and underwent significant expansions
during the reigns
of various dynasties. You can trace the architectural
evolution from its humble beginnings of rammed earth and wood to the formidable
fortifications of stone,
brick, and tamped earth that we see today.
One of the most intriguing aspects
of the Great Wall
is its symbolism
and military function.
Explore the watchtowers strategically, placed along its length, allowing soldiers to observe and communicate with one another. These towers served as vital defense points during times of war and played a crucial role in protecting the Chinese Empire. Venture to the different sections of the Great Wall to witness its majestic beauty firsthand.
The battling section,
the most visited and well-preserved part,
offers panoramic views of the
surrounding landscape.
Alternatively, visit the Muqianyu section,
which is less crowded and provides a more serene atmosphere
for intrepid explorers.
Immerse yourself in the legends and stories surrounding the Great Wall.
From the tale of Manjianu's
tragic love to the myth of the Great Wall being a burial ground for millions of workers,
each story adds to the mystique and allure of this remarkable landmark.
While exploring the Great Wall, don't forget to marvel at
the engineering marvels that enabled its construction.
The wall's unique construction techniques, such as the inclusion of various defensive structures, enabled it to withstand the test of time. As you conclude your journey
through the history of
the Great Wall, take a moment to reflect on the immense effort and human ingenuity that went into creating this enduring symbol of China's past. The Great Wall is not merely a physical structure, but an emblem of resilience and determination.
We hope this travel guide has offered valuable insights
into exploring the history of the Great Wall of China.
Prepare to be captivated by its grandeur,
serenity, and the rich tapestry of stories that echo through its ancient stones.
Happy travels!